everybody, it's the 16th of December and let's have a look at the weather outside. It's quite grey, it's cold today, well, it feels cold, there's a little breeze. I want to work outside all day, so I'm not going to. All the bikes are here, some lovely ones. We've got doors, we've got a rally, we've got a Dutch bike, we've got another rally. Some lovely bikes at the moment. Don't forget, if you're getting a bike for Christmas, you can sell your bike on our website. Also, don't forget, we're closed on Sundays from now on. And here's our Christmas opening, or closing. So, we're shut from Christmas Eve until New Year's Day. Lots of bikes to show you. This one coming yesterday. I'm going to try and build this today if I can. Some lovely ladies' bikes. Look at this one. This is a vintage Hercules with a wicker basket. Lovely. We've got some really nice bikes in at the moment. Some lovely kids' bikes as well. If you can see them at the top there. A specialised frame, a specialised, I can never remember which one is, Sector. That's a nice bike. Got a Scott frame hanging up as well, a GT frame, got another GT frame to go up there as well. So, today I'm going to finish off sorting out the wheels. So yesterday, I had a really bad migraine and the last thing I felt like doing was doing any videoing. So I didn't video yesterday because I felt so rough, but I did go through all of the wheels and sort out the ones I want to keep and add them to the database, and made a pile of the ones that didn't pass the final quality control. Today I'm going to do all these wheels. All of these wheels you can see behind me. I'm going to go through them all. There's about 30 up there, and just thin them out for the wheels that do pass and the wheels that don't. That's my plan, and then add them to the database, and then I've got a complete database of all of the wheels. So that's my plan, is to do that. Hey buddy. And then I'm going to build that bike. So that's my strategy for today. Tell you how happy I am. I've finished all the wheels and logged them, so there's still a load of scrap wheels to do, but that's a 2024 job. All the wheels are now logged in a database. I know what I've got. They're hung up in here, so the next big job with those, but it can be next year, is to go through them and put them on our website for sale. Oh, I can't tell you how much of a mission that was. Well, I guess if you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know how much of a mission that was, because that's pretty much all I've been doing. Wheels, 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 wheels for the last, oh, I don't know, probably, it feels like forever, but probably a month. Okay, so I'm going to go and get some lunch, and then when I get back I'm going to crack on making building a bike. So that's my plan. Hi, so I'm back from lunch and I'm now going to make a start on a bike build. Hopefully get it done as quick as possible. So I'm going to get into it. So I've just finished this Helium 900. It just needs a really good clean now, which can be done early next week. A good little bike. It's got 21 gears. Is it 21? Yeah, sorry, it's got 21 gears, grip shifters, B brakes, and the frame I think might be aluminium. Is it alley frame? Yeah, alley frame. So, and we'll put this up for next to nothing. Because it's just a nice little bike. Right, so that's me done for today in terms of videoing, because I've got some videos to make and I've also got some social media to do. Obviously we're not open on Sunday or Monday, so we will be back with Daily Diary on the 19th of December, which is on Tuesday. What was I going to say? We've got a few videos coming out in between then. We've got a really good how-to for kids, and we've got a couple of bike reviews. So we'll see you with Daily Diary in a couple of days.